you know?
Well.
Well. Come on, to no man. What to no? Alright, I'm a baby. Alright.
Hi, honey. Hi. Now give me no more smile. I know, right?
This is not a coincidence. This is not a coincidence. DJ Joe, one more DJ come right out of the studio just now. But don't forget, this is the man King Jinson, Black Giant, High-End, Lion, Giant, King Jinson, Black Giant, Liquid Man, Carl Rock Valley. So I'm handing over to the new DJ. See my man, see my girl.
One time, Waterloo and a Waterloo, you know, prayer breathing I hope. Believe the man. Yeah, I wear that, you know. Girl, why not somebody and down? Stop on the road, and do some love. But it's in the one that girl move up the touch, yeah. Why not somebody for me? Go the girl wine and know so she get me on it. Right?
It look like my DJ too.
We got Chroma, come on! You hear what I say, sir? Put your hand on your head, sir. Watch your things on.
Aren't the lady coming up? Soon, right?
Put what Yes, man, kill the place, man, I'm not sure. Get some water. Yes, it's a pretty water, man.
Energy drink for
I saw that tell you.
Yeah, man, one time. Jesus, I know, mother.
Let's see. Nice.
Mother, they rub on the boom with the live, you know? Browning, they say your favorite Ronald gone to Brown. You can't look for your Ronald Mr. Man. Yeah?
I'm at
6.
Detta full of that man and this full of you know, you can talk, you know. The baby can't eat one dumpling, so the mother will help him out. Alright?
Yeah, man out there.
Yeah, yes, man. The mother will help him. Love you, I am, love you, I am, love you, I am. Drink all the oil pan the powder.
The bone, you know?
Yeah, and very
I tell which is right.
Sweet.
Yes, it's
It's funny. It's funny.
He has something that he don't blame.
18 of them.
Watch out, man. Watch out. You see, it's a food. Food is what keeps a person strong. You don't eat now, or you see it.
Healthy. I could have run go by a marathon.
Because when you eat the right food, you eat one food and you eat down there. You know, you don't feel that way, that energetic business. Bless. The energetic business, you know, did it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
And the right thing. Yeah, man.
You throw it up.
You love that baby. You love that baby. I try to name that. Take all that baby.
Hey, boy, you know, Hey, boy.
I gotta go see Auntie Lane shop. Come, Auntie. Yeah, that man.
Big shop.
It's okay, Auntie.
Big shop at Michelle Boutique.
Oh, okay. If I come by. Like them shoes, yeah.
And Zara.
Mm-hmm. I like that one there. I like that one there. What size that? What size that? A 42, too big. Yeah,
No,
42.
and I,
Right, that's all.
which one?
Oh, US 32. Okay, let me see that one, yeah.
Eh? 15. Yeah.
Let me see that one.
That can't fit you?
Yeah.
Everybody come and want to, you know.
Save this everything. Take it. Come back.
A 2 million, you body man. Try and then you can't fit it.
Nice baby. Respect, man. Make me send off some of the energy, man. Send off some energy. Energy. We have that on video?
Yeah.
Put it on video. Put it on video. Hey, McKinney, thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Come up to me. All right, good.
I don't send it to.
Jamadi.
Rich families, them know gunman style. Big men spark up and last kick pan Kyle. Boss head go and go run man file. Be a killer we part with from we are juvenile. And we are on the ground. What else? Badness, where them a say? And we have up the artist set a guy, where them a say? Yeah. Chain it a jeep, bad class, but we foot we don't listen boy, we a chat, where them a say?
What's up, brother, man?
Let's go over there.
Yeah, drive like. Bye, Danny. My sweetheart.
You know. Safe driving.
All right, Chad. Respect.
Meet again, you know. Alright. Cozy of travel. Alright, father, yeah?
Chain it a chip, bad class, but we foot we no listen boy, where you chat, where them a say? What else? Badness, where them a say? And we have up the artist set a girl, where them a say? Chain it a jeep, bad class, but we foot we no listen boy, where you chat, where them a say? From who no ready for party, put your cups up. With the gal them are freaky and love. And with the talk them well up, get rich badness, them know a gunman style. Big Ben spark up and last dick pan Kyle. Boss head go and go run man file. Be a killer we part with from we are juvenile. And we are on the ground.